In this video, I'll show you how to use Infinitone 2 in Reason. First, create a track using an instrument device and choose Infinitone 2. And if you open it up, you'll see that at the bottom of the user interface, there are some colors mapped on the white keys of the keyboard. That means there's a microtonal scale just on the white keys. So just play the white keys. And you'll get a beautiful microtonal scale. Now, if you want to connect Infinitone 2 with another synth and use it more as a MIDI effect, then that's also possible. But in Reason, you'll have to use a plugin wrapper. So go to Create, Instrument Devices, and choose a plugin wrapper. I like Modalic's Plugin Buddy because it's free and simple and really easy to use, and it works really well. So I'm going to disable the first track here and open up a plugin wrapper and set it to the init preset. At the top here are MIDI effects slots. So I'm going to just add Infinitone 2 in the MIDI effects slot. And in the instrument slot, I will choose an MPE compatible synth. There are many MPE compatible synths on the market today. I like Serum 2, so we'll use that for now. And you'll see that that first scale that we played in Infinitone in the standalone now is being played in Serum. And you can select any patch in your synth, and it will play that same scale. And then you can change your scale in Infinitone 2, and it will change in Serum as well. Now, if you want to use DAW automation, then that's very easy with Plugin Buddy. All you have to do is go to the automation parameters up here in Plugin Buddy, click Map, and select the parameter you'd like to automate. So in this case, we'll select Active Scale. It's right here. And you'll see that Active Scale gets automatically mapped to this slot. So if you want to automate Infinitone 2, just go into your DAW and select the parameters you'd like to automate, connect it to this slot in Plugin Buddy, and it will automate Infinitone 2. The last thing to take note of is that in your synth, it does have to be MPE compatible, and just make sure that MPE is enabled in your synth. And in Serum, in this case, this is in the drop-down menu, it says MPE enabled is checked, and the MPE bend range must be 48. So I hope you enjoy using Infinitone 2 within Reason. It works great just as a standalone synth. There is the little bit of an extra step of having to use a plugin wrapper if you want to connect it with another synth. There are many other DAWs out there which that's not required, such as Logic and Reaper and Ableton Live, Cubase. So I would recommend writing to the Reason company and just requesting that they include multi-channel routing out of a VST3 within their DAW. And so that way you wouldn't have to use a plugin wrapper in the future if they update that. But for now, the plugin wrapper works great. So I do hope you enjoy exploring Infinitone 2 within Reason if that is your DAW of choice.